I got scammed today, and we're gonna talk about it. Story time. Get your popcorn. Get everything that you gotta get. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about the reality and all that. Nah, but to be honest, I want to do a different type of video today, and I just want to talk about the reality of business because I know a lot of times we just talk about all the highlights and things like that. And you guys see a lot of my students I'll be interviewing on the channel. So today I just wanted to just kind of talk about the reality of business. And if you're feeling stuck as far as your business, if you're feeling stuck as far as life, go ahead and watch this video because you're going to be in for a treat. But I know a lot of y'all probably think I'm just like some robot or something. Like I don't eat food or nothing. So we just going to do like a little like a mukbang thing. So I got some Popeyes here. You know what I'm saying? Got a little biscuit real quick. So I'm gonna eat the biscuit and we just gonna talk about it. So just the reality of business, because I know we often get in these like cycles of looking at people on social media and just thinking that everything is just sweet, but life is not always like that. And if you know a little bit about my story, this is a good way to reintroduce myself too. If you don't know me, my name is Michael Benjamin. I'm the CEO of CAT Consumer Ammunition Tactics, and basically I help credit repair business owners make more money online. Our bigger mission really is helping small business owners get access to 0% interest capital, right? So our big mission is to fund $1 billion to small business owners. So we got a lot to do. I need as much help as possible. That's why if you know somebody like a small business owner that needs funding and they're ready to go, we pay out a referral fee, right? We pay out a pretty nice referral fee. At the time I'm recording this, we'll pay you $1,000. You know what I'm saying? But I say that to say, like, business isn't always easy. People come on here to just act like it's all easy, it's all sweet and everything. It's not always like that. So going back to what I said as far as getting scammed, a lot of times we focus on like, okay, the business owner is a scammer and things of that nature, but we don't really talk about the fact that the customers be scamming. So I got scammed by a couple customers today. People that purchased stuff and then they went and did the chargeback scam. You know what I'm saying? So we're operating at a certain amount of volume. So it happened to be, it wasn't the littlest amount of money, comma attached to it. So, thousands of dollars, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, we thank God that we're able to continue to operate the business and we're able to continue to grow the business. And I just wanted to talk about growth as well. So when I talk about growth, I need to eat, huh? Hold on, let me get my what's it called? The honey on the biscuit. These Popeye biscuits, man. I'm not trying to get taken out on camera right now. But when we talk about growth, man, I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to go into my 40s and I'm still telling y'all, fix your credit, 15 USC this, you know what I'm saying? Like when we talk about growth, like I met with my team recently and we just decided like, hold on. My stomach rumbling. Damn, I don't have no napkins. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So, hold on. Biscuit trying to take me out. All right, I got a few pieces of chicken too. So when I'm talking about growth, I'm not trying to be the person here that's telling you, fix your credit, 15 USC this into my 40s. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, like I said, when I met with my team, we've been getting people funded behind the scenes, but it became more crystal clear as far as like my God-given mission. We want to fund $1 billion to small business owners so that y'all can, essentially get to the next level. So I say that to say growth is good. There's no growth in comfort. I was having a conversation with somebody about that recently. Or maybe it was a video I was recording. I don't know. I'll be talking to myself or talking to y'all when I'm recording these videos. But I say that to say, I'm gonna take a piece of chicken. It's pretty good. Y'all want some too? Damn. Take some. No, but I say that to say that you got to be comfortable with being uncomfortable because you're not gonna grow if you're just being comfortable your whole life, you know? So as I've been having my, thoughts for myself, meeting with my team, I'm getting in that space as well. Because the thing was the way that I operated before, the way we operated with the business, we do credit repair, we do the mentorship, all that. We didn't promote funding too much because majority of our funding clients was done through people that graduated from our credit repair program. And I've just been of the thought like, okay, I don't want like it might be like an overthinking thing. This is where I gotta, this is why I gotta be comfortable with being uncomfortable. It got to the point of like, okay, I don't if I'm just marketing funding and like an amount and everything that I want to do, people be pocket watching. You know what I'm saying? So I just got in that like mindset. And I feel like, I mean, people are gonna know what it is regardless. I'm posting my students wins and things like that. So people can have an idea like, okay, you're doing this with your business, you're doing that with your business. But then as I was just sitting back, journaling, just talking to God, I just had to think about it like everything we're doing is serving a greater purpose. So I could be like, okay, I don't want to market funding as much because I don't want people to be like pocket watching. But at the end of the day, the greater purpose is the fact that I'm saving business owners, small business owners' lives, right? Whether we get them funded 100,000, 250,000, 50,000, you know what I'm saying? So I just want y'all to realize like whatever you're feeling right now, like that you're not comfortable with, definitely put yourself out there and be more comfortable. So I say that to say, with me being vulnerable, that I'm going to continue being more intentional about the funding, being more intentional about our mission as far as funding $1 billion to small business owners. And the reality is, I can't do that by myself with who I know. That's why I put out these videos. That's why I talk to y'all so that y'all can, refer people over as well so that we can fulfill that mission. And just goes to you. If you're a credit repair business owner, if you're looking to start that credit repair business, this is really the season of getting out of that comfort zone, you know? So I just wanted to, like I said, I just want to come out here and just chop it up with y'all as far as that. And just talk about the reality of business because going back to what I said as far as like the chargeback scam, a lot of times with business, y'all see the wins. We posting the wins and all that, but y'all don't see the behind the scenes, you know? So I just say that to say just to show the reality of things because a lot of people will just show that they're winning, winning, winning. And it's cool. I understand that. You want to show that you're winning, but I I don't know if I put out a video like this, just kind of sitting down with y'all and I'm pretty sure I've never ate on the video. So now y'all know like I'm not AI. Y'all know I'm a real person. I be eating food. You feel me? But hold on. That one's real crunchy. I'm over here talking the whole video. I barely even ate my food. It'd be hard to do two things at once. But I say that to say, if you in your credit repair business right now, you feeling stuck, um, just in life and anything, you're 9 to 5, like it don't even got to be credit repair. You're a small business owner, you're lacking that capital to grow your business. Me being more intentional about marketing, we can get you funded, right? I got relationships with bankers and things like that, so that can help you get to the next level. But we got to think about the fact that it's going back to my point about being comfortable, being uncomfortable. You're not going to grow if you're not like that, right? You're not going to grow if you're not direct. You're not going to grow if you're not intentional about how you move. I'm being more intentional about, discussing the funding because I know that it serves a greater purpose. I know that's a greater mission of CAP. We've been telling y'all for years, fix your credit, fix your credit, fix your credit, because we were funneling y'all into starting that business, right? Continuing that business, whatever it is as far as your business. But I say that to say, with my situation is going on as far as figuring that out, as far as dealing with the chargeback stuff, every day's not going to be Christmas, right? Every day's not going to be a win in business. And I'm just peeling back the layers, just kind of showing y'all how it is. And despite the fact that, it's a blessing, we do make a lot of money and everything's good, but things happen here and there, So I just wanted to just be transparent with y'all. Everything's not always easy. Everything's not always the easiest thing as far as like getting on and recording videos. Like I don't always want to record videos, but I understand the greater mission, the greater purpose is to, for the impact. You feel me? So that's why I do what I do. And I hope y'all can feel me. If you're new, if you're not new, I hope you can kind of relate to me. I hope that this video can kind of help you. Whatever you're dealing with in life right now, I don't know. Maybe you're struggling with your credit repair business. Maybe you're struggling with your 9 to 5. Maybe you're struggling getting extra capital for your Airbnb or, whatever business. But I feel like, we can definitely help you. And I hope that this video touched you in some capacity because, yeah, life ain't always sweet, So I just wanted to put that out there. And I think I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my food. I think I made my point. And if you got value from this video, um, drop some takeaways. I just wanted to, come on here, just kind of have that stream of consciousness with y'all. I usually script out the videos, but I just wanted to just let it come from the heart today, right? Even though I'm a heartless person, no, I'm playing. But I just wanted to let it come from the heart today so that y'all can feel like my authentic self. Like today was not the easiest day in business, with these scammers that's doing what they're doing, just working on behind the scenes. Cause I'd be so like intentional about creating the best possible program for my students. I'd be so intentional about making sure we have the best credit repair service, making sure we have the best funding service. So I just be working and sometimes it's not easy, is what I'm saying. It's definitely a blessing not to have to clock into a 9 to 5 and fake laugh with coworkers. You feel me? But the reality is that every day is not going to be easy, right? And I know majority of y'all that's watching my channel, you are business owners or you're aspiring. So you just got to understand that not every day is going to be easy. Most days might not be easy, but you just got to push through. You just got to be consistent, and you definitely going to get there. Like I retired my job in 2022. We're in 2024, getting closer to 2025. Every day hasn't been easy. You know, I just get up every day and just get 1% better each and every day. And some days, you don't get that 1%, but as long as you make an attempt, maybe you got that 0.5%, maybe you got that third of a percent, you just got to keep on pushing. You just got to keep on going. It's really what it is, right? I really like to believe that. I really like believing in divine timing. I almost didn't even record this video, to be honest. So if this video touched you, if this video helped you, let me know, man or woman. Let me know that it changed your life. Let me know that it really, like you really felt what I was saying in your spirit. Let me know that you're actually going to make a change in your life. Let me know you're going to be comfortable with being uncomfortable, because, it touches me when I know that I could change a life like one day at a time. That's really my mission. Like if I could change one life one day at a time, then that would be, fulfilling the mission. Like I said, the mission is to fund $1 billion to small business owners. So if you're somebody that's a small business owner that's looking for extra capital, 0% interest business capital that would help them with like their real estate deal or whatever, go ahead and send them our way. We'll pay you pretty good. We'll pay you that $1,000 referral fee, right? If we successfully fund them. But yeah, make sure they got like at least a 700 credit score all across the board. We got a couple personal credit cards, at least $2,500 limit, and then debt utilization rate is under 30%. Not too many like just authorized user counts. Authorized user is cool, but you want to have credit cards in your name as well. So you could potentially save someone's life. Let them know. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting hungry now. I've been running my mouth, huh? I was telling you I was gonna be story time. I'm over there giving y'all a motivational speech. I'm like, this ain't no stage, you know what I'm saying? But I say that to say this Popeyes is hitting. Popeyes is busting. That's what I say. No, but I just wanted to do a different type of video. Cause y'all see me like give me all the sauce 24/7. Just show y'all like I'm a real person. Cause I know some of y'all probably think I'm AI. And I'm gonna be real. I know I'll be giving y'all so much sauce, like you think like I'm not a human. You know what I'm saying? Like you think I'm just like AI. But I'm definitely a human being. If you made it to this point in the video, I just want to say like shout out to you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching me eat this Popeyes as, I'm busting. Hopefully you got something to eat. Hopefully you got some Popeyes. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm Nigerian. I should have got some fufu up in this joint. You know what I'm talking about? I'm playing. But but yeah, man. If I eat this biscuit, I'm not trying to. I was gonna say something, but let me not say it. I'm not trying to, get in trouble with the biscuit. But yeah, man. Every day in Christmas. So if you're going through your business, definitely get an environment. That's why I'm always talking about the mentorship. That's why I have the mentorship because we're in an environment of like-minded individuals. When you go to that 9 to 5, you're working on your business by yourself. It could be lonely. When I got in the credit game, I invested in a mentorship and I got in a community. So when I created my own mentorship, I was like, okay, I need to create a community of like-minded individuals so that when we have those hard days, we can just come and be like, okay, this is how we feeling. In the Google Drive of my mentorship, I got a document in there that talks about like mental health and things like that. Like I'm big on that. Just protecting your mental health, protecting your peace and all of that, right? Because life ain't always sweet, right? It's definitely sweet when you're not fake laughing with your coworkers at that 9 to 5. But outside of that, like, making the life work, it's not always gonna be easy. But yeah. So with that being said, if y'all know somebody that knows somebody that's looking for that 0% interest business capital, I'm doing my thing to be more intentional about speaking about it, not overthinking about things that don't matter because the greater purpose is serving, right? So it's my God given mission to get as close as I can to helping fund $1 billion to small business owners. Y'all know I got the most valuable YouTube channel on the planet. So go watch the playlist, funding playlist, go get you some funding. When y'all go get funded like yourself, that helps the mission as well, right? But yeah, go ahead and send me your people because you got to understand that like if you have no relationships right now, you got no bank relationship managers. If you go apply online by yourself right now, you could get approved depending on your profile, but you might not maximize your funding. So that's why people pay me to be able to get higher funding. So they just go put that in their investment, it gets to the next level. So with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, different type of video. Y'all have a blessed one.